Pagawangan, the enemy, the on the run, attack his family. Gather at the riverbank, the enemy clan, bodyguard the chief, since he's a dead man. Son of signal, pangazo to position, pisang on command, await his premonition. No chorus into sumangar battle cries, parang bang spears lightning from the sky. Enemies retaliate in a triple threat, Peter in the air, beating 3 heads to the ground, some order the rest. Battlefield's a scar, he cut it on his chest. Bitang push to an ambush, he swallowed that pride. Got nowhere to run, got nowhere to hide. Katama at the key, whenever on the attack. Kapatayan to the end, he never looks back. Of the ritual crowd he remembers, put to the test, killed a rival clan member. He pictures everything in his memory. Enemy big for his life, leashed on a tree. Gimbaran protect him on first mission. Pangazo guarded him in maglawang positions. Protector of the tribe and family. Fate was written, legendary destiny. Take the head, leave the body to Chicago. Advice from the elders, the story was told. Keep Tulu in Barayik, 10 people on your back. Up the ridge, cross the river, journey on the hidden tracks. This is how to rise above the enemy. Make them run, make them suffer heavily. If the enemy attacks in the broad daylight, launch kapatayon in the full moonlight. Hear the blood gush whenever in a battle chosen by Q99. He was placed on this cradle. Rather die than be a slave, that's why he fights every day, every night to protect the rights of the promised land. Koboniyo, haming tagazo of brave heroes, kaning matsale. Kung sanat, ferocious sword, the more fierce months of piyad. But why succumb to willing compromise? Promises of riches that made you sacrifice your pride, your people, you sold your Tulun. Tutok konoks now, regret in do my ruin. If I die tonight, pabuno rap for me. Love my sons, continue my legacy. Tulun to come, never be sold on a plate. Make this promise in your heart, forever change your fate.